I always know when Graham's in the building. There's always music on when he's here and it's playing. I think Graham might dial it up a notch or two. Things are just bumping a little bit more when he's in the space. This is such an incredibly fun project to see a space here in Indiana so intertwined with the car community, racing, the racing heritage in a very polished, high-end retail environment with everything from restaurants to private car country club. It's hard not to get excited. This is a unique, as I say, retail-oriented space is how I think of it, because there are a number of dealerships here. There's a restaurant here as well as the private club. But it just gives people in this community that are, whether they're motorsport enthusiasts, whether they're just car people that have a passion for high-end vehicles, performance, etc., it gives them a home here in Indy, which is amazing. And there's obviously a very direct correlation, at least in my mind, between people that love high-performance vehicles and people that love high-performance audio. Graham's always been really enthusiastic about the complex. I mean, this was, I think, incredibly ambitious. And the one thing I got from Graham on day one was that he wanted to have music in every zone.
Triphase did an amazing job. It creates a really neat atmosphere as people walk around the showroom. Largely on the whole, the entire complex is so connected together for doing cars and coffees. You can have a layer of music playing in the background for the entire community and just creates a fun and inviting environment.
Sonance has been an amazing partner of ours, and one of their key ethos is designing to disappear. In the spaces we're working in, we have high ceilings, a lot of them open, more of an industrial vibe. So having the ability to use things like pendants from the commercial series, to be able to bring that audio down a little bit lower from the ceiling deck, to be able to fill the space. One of the things that sets Sonance apart is the thought that goes into the design and shape of the speaker. These are sleek, beautiful, and sound as good as they look. Graham's passionate about customization. That's one thing I came to find, whether it's his cars, paint to sample colors on your rare automobiles. So one of the things we were able to do, it was actually as a gift to Graham as part of this project, was work with the team at James to create a completely custom, one-of-a-kind soundbar that was installed in Ducati. We were able to finish the James soundbar in a Ducati paint to sample color and then laser print the grille with the Ducati logo, the emblem. There was a grand opening for Ducati, and we actually snuck in that morning, installed the soundbar to the TV, and was able to surprise, I think, not only Graham at that event, but also the CEO of Ducati North America with that on display. So at a space this big, I think one of the key contributing factors is we've got long wire runs in a number of the zones here. For instance, a landscape speaker system that spans the entire front of the property. There is music playing on that from opening hours of the day to closing. He needed to be able to have a microphone system that would play through all of that so that he could welcome guests, make announcements, have competitions, etc. In the, we'll call it business spaces, the dealerships, Rahal paint protection, Rahal performance, etc., we chose to use a mixture of professional series in-ceiling and pendant speakers and subs. I think the application was predominantly driven by ceilings, whether we had open plan environments, whether there was drop tile, acoustical ceilings. And again, that's the beauty of working with a brand like Sonance. They have a product that fits every need.
I've always had an appreciation for music. Seeing how people interact with it and seeing what effect it has on the retail environment or the community environment when we're doing cars and coffee or Ducks and Donuts events like that, it just enriches everybody's lives.
One of the best things about working with a manufacturer like Sonance is they have a design team that will help an AV integrator. In a space like this, we're able to submit blueprints ahead of time, work with the team to get heat maps, which will show the ideal placement of speakers and subs, using the products in their arsenal to present a solution that will meet not only the goals, but the needs of the project.